I'm starting a new project. It's a John Townsend China Table, and it's got some tough parts in it, especially this gallery that's all cut out, and also these stretchers will be particularly difficult. But right now I'm starting with the legs, and the legs are also difficult. Here's some of the joinery that I'm planning to use between the side pieces and the legs and the top and the gallery. Had to be worked out. Then I'm starting with the legs, and here's a overall picture of the design. 1 7/16 by 1 7/16 is the dimension, and there are flutes and reeds carved into the faces of the legs, and that's where I'm starting right now. I've got one of the legs here on the workbench, and the flutes have been made with, I used a router table for the flutes with a 3/16" round bit. Now I'm working down here on these reeds, and I'm using a scratch stock, and I think I've got it set up right now. There's a little shape here that I've worked out and filed with small files, and then the way this works is I hold that against the scratch stock fence against the leg, and I keep digging down deeper to try to get that top surface totally rounded over. For the reed shape. That's about as far as I need to go. Now, sometimes I'll use a dentist tool here to help clean out the grooves. Then these small carving tools, the top of that reed needs to be shaped, and then I'll remove that material from the other side to create that shape. Now I want to go down a little bit straighter and clean that out just a little bit there, and that's about it. Now I've got 2 more reeds to do. This reed over here needs to be rounded over a little bit. Sometimes I'll just use a chisel here to just make sure that's rounded over enough. That's about it. So I've got quite a bit of these reeds have to be done by hand.